Hello and welcome to the PAWLS Walthall Library Systems YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be introducing you to the website. Alright, first we want to go to our search engine of choice. I'm going to be using Google. And then after that we want to type in our website's name, which is pawls.org. First, we want to go to our search engine of choice. Today I'm using Google. And we want to type in our website's name, which is the PAWLS Walthall Library System. So it will be PAWLS.org. And then this will bring up our website right here. You could see it's www.pawls.org. And this will pull up our website's home page. From here, you can get to a lot of helpful places. Right away, you could see our catalog. You could see the different social medias that you could follow us on to keep updated on different things that we have going. And then right here, we have a link to our address where you can come and visit the library if you wanted to. Down here, we have our hours. And then we have other things that pop up through here from time to time that we update regularly, so be sure to check it out. As far as what all you can use our website to do, right here we have our ebook services, and then we have our different important informations that the library offers, including the prices for things, our fax number, and all the other things that we have that we offer to the public. Up here, you could find the different branches that the library system has within it, the PAWLS Walthall locations. And down here, you can see all the different branches. We have our genealogy section, where we have a blog that gets updated regularly, and then a little bit of information, including how to do a request for genealogy information. This is where we put any of the news that we have going on right now. We're getting ready for summer programs, so it's a little light, but we do have our storytime programs. Here is what most people are interested in. This is links to various things that the community uses regularly. Right now it's tax season, so everyone is downloading their forms for free through the IRS forms site, and then they are able to file however they want to, but here we do host the IRS free file option in case people need a link to it. They have other useful information here like the student resources. The Magnolia database is a particularly important one because the library gives access to it for free. And then they have the career information, different sites where you can post to look for jobs, and then we have a free resume builder. And then you have other information. Under test prep, this is different collections of links and resources to different commonly needed test preps. So everything from ACT and the GED up to U.S. citizenship test and different unique tests that you may need for specific careers. And then this is our About Us page, where we just have our different informations about the people who work here and the different branches' phone numbers. So hopefully you can use the website to find something helpful, and hopefully you can check it out.